This is the chart that's on the side of the Jang roller, and then this is how you decide what gears and what roller to acquire what spacing you want. Right now we're on a 12-hole roller and we want a 4-inch spacing, which means we have to follow this column up to the top, and we see that we need to have a 13 gear on the rear and a 11 gear on the front. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to unscrew the casing for the gearbox. This prevents it from getting water in it. Ours has gotten a little rusty, which means it did get some water in it at some point. So we're gonna have to clean that up and get it lubed up with some flim flam. So I've just got up here all my gear pieces and anything I'm not wanting to lose in the field, I just put inside of the casing. So I needed to have 11, 13. So 11 and 13. And just to recheck here on the chart that it is 13 on the rear, 11 on the front. So 13 on the rear, 11 on the front. Now all I have to do is come over here and I have to just slide this out. So I'm going to replace this 10 that was on the rear and I'm going to trade it for a 13. So I'm going to up that gear size, and over here on the other side I'm going to, if I can get it off, it's stuck there. Just place this gear here for now until I can get this one off. It's not cooperating with me right now. Oh, there we go. I think I got it. It's loosened up a bit at least. Having some real difficulties getting this off. I'm going to try and use my knife. Leverage it out. It shouldn't be this difficult to remove. There we go. Got it. Knife down. So I'm going to change this gear from 14 to an 11. I'm actually going to put the chain on before I put the sprocket back in place. There we go. This chain has to go above this part that bends right here, and I'm also going to put the chain on this other sprocket. Fell out of place there. Now this is the tricky part. And I just have to line up the, there we go, bar to go through. So I now have a 13 on the rear, 11 on the front. I'm going to close the box. And that is how you change the gears on a Jang. And depending on the spacing that you want, you'll put in different gears and